Kaizen, blitzing your IE career.
Experience ko to be discriminated. I have to emphasize this. I will always tell this to every time na they will ask me how did you fare when you were asking for the work. Na experience ko ang discrimination because I am a lady or I am a girl. My sister was working in a multinational. Ate Bel, you're sayang there in the government. You could have gotten parang, higher position and all. But it's not all about the compensation. What keeps me motivated? You know that there will be people who would benefit from what you're doing. And that's
Kaizen, Blitzing Your IE Career, a podcast where we talk with seasoned industrial engineers and learn how they have navigated their careers from university to their present roles. I'm your host, Johnny Boydon, from the UP Industrial Engineering Department. Our third guest is Miss Maria Belinda Maribel Cusi San Jose. She is currently the Senior Vice President of the IT Management Group and Chief Information Officer at SSS, or the Social Security System. She graduated UPIE batch 83, or sorry, graduated UPIE year 83. Welcome to the show, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Kamusta, ma'am? Kamusta?
Okay, mabuti naman, mabuti.
Yes, ayun no. So we're very excited po to learn about your entire IE career. So pag-usapan natin yan from your college life to your early stage career and to now. But first, let's go to your times in the university. So kamusta ang college life in UPIE?
Actually, in-enjoy ko yung college life apart from the hardships, yung mga trying to cope with the requirements, ang dami-daming requirements, walang tulugan and exams, getting nervous if you will be able to pass. Alam mo, yun yung mga nakakapagpasaya. But at the end of the day, I really enjoyed my 5 years here in the college or in UP. Masaya yan. Because siguro I was able to get friends na who helped me navigated through this 5 arduous years in UP.
Yes, but very known ang UPI dyan, ano, are actually engineers, ano, na nag-aaral lang in college. Parang talaga minsan puyatan, walang tulugan sa mga projects, sa mga exams.
Well, kami noon, lumilipat lang ng bahay. Pero magkakasama kami. Parang
Oh,
throughout especially when we were in third year na, nung nagme-major na. Kasi each subject, meron kang project.
yes.
May project study ka. And actually, na-appreciate ko yung mga project studies. Kasi when I had my first work, parang hindi ako natakot, walang nervyos. Parang sanay ka na to talk to people. Kasi yung projects at that time, talagang real life. Hindi bola yung mga projects namin. Kasi we get to choose an agency or a firm and then apply whatever IE subjects that requires of us dun sa project na yon. And totoo, and would you believe, nakabuo kami, tawag namin doon, nakaipon kami ng mga assets namin. Common. Kasi at that time, walang computer during our time. So, typewriter. May typewriter ang group namin. Oo, nakabili kami ng pool ng
Wow.
typewriter. Basta ang dami naming naipong gamit together because we were like group mates from third year, almost from third year to fifth year. May ibang nababagong member, but yung core group members, almost the same. So, yun. Enjoy siya.
Ang galing. So may tulungan din, ano, and nabuo yung teamwork even when you
Yes, and
were...
until now, we still see each other. Nabuo yung friendship from that walang tulugan.
Yes, but just to give a picture muna, ano, Ma'am Maribel, kung ano nga bang IE, maybe simulan natin sa back before college. Maybe before or like applying for college, bakit nga ba kayo nag-IE? Or parang, what were your impressions of IE even back then?
Okay. When I was a kid, I always say gusto ko maging doktor. Hindi ko naman gusto maging engineer eh. But a relative of mine graduated, actually management engineering.
Oh.
Not in the neighbor school.
Yes, in Ateneo.
Okay, in Ateneo. And yun, kukwento siya and he was able to get a job immediately after college. So sabi ko ba, maganda pala yung course na yan. And yun nga, and he was telling me, parang ang daming areas where you can be of use if you are industrial engineer. So parang slowly nag-shift ako from my dream of becoming a doctor to becoming an industrial engineer. But come application time, my dad kasi wanted me to be a lawyer because he is a lawyer. My mom wanted me to be a doctor. She's into the medical field also. She's a pharmacist. So, kanya-kanyang hila silang dalawa. Okay, sabi ko, I made up my mind na I want to take up engineering, particularly industrial engineering. Pero at that time, yung parents ko, parang meron silang bias on courses that don't have a license. Parang,
Oh.
walang board yan eh. Okay,
Controversial
we
issue.
will, yeah. We will allow you na mag-engineering but on an engineering field na may board. So when I applied to UP, I actually applied chemical engineering. Hindi ako nag-apply ng industrial engineering. But you know what? First day ko pa lang, nandun pa lang ako sa registrar, nagre-register ako, tinatanong ko na kung paano ako magshi-shift to
Oo.
industrial engineering. Because naka-focus na talaga ako na industrial engineering ang kukunin ko. And sabi nung registrar or sabi nung nasa counter, "Iha, mag-enroll ka muna. After I think after a year or after one sem or 1 year, dun ka puwedeng mag-shift." And di ko na
Ah.
matandaan kung paano ako naka-shift to IE. But habang nandun ako sa chemical engineering program, kinakamada ko na yung subjects ko na walang masasayang if I shift to IE. So talagang at the onset, I wanted to be an industrial engineer.
Yeah, so you took pala yung mga kumbaga mga subjects na kumbaga applicable
Yes,
for
oo,
all
oo,
engineering
oo.
courses. Pero how did you get the idea of what IE really is? Saan niyo po ba nakuha yung information na yun?
Yun nga, yung relative ko kasi nga graduated management
Hmm.
engineering, but I thought pareho lang ang
Hmm.
program, eh, pero magkaiba pala. Medyo may difference pala yung management engineering program
Yes.
ng ating kapitbahay versus the industrial
Hmm.
engineering natin. He landed, on a job in a manufacturing firm. So I thought dun din ako pupunta pero naiba yung career path ko.
And when you shifted na nga Ma'am Maribel to IE, so kamusta naman po? Kamusta naman dealing with the IE subjects? And nagbago ba yung impression ninyo sa IE? I mean, facing these subjects na talaga
Alam
ano?
mo siguro talagang kasi ako kasi if I put myself yung eto na yung target ko, ano ako, eh, focused ako, eh. If you will look at my transcript, hindi ko pinagmamalaki yung transcript ko, ha. But if you will look at my transcript, all my IE majors, lahat yan ano, nakaunat yan.
Wow, wow.
Or a little bit up. Nung time namin mahirap yun, eh, pero ngayon mas I don't know, mas matatalino yata kayo kasi mas maraming honor students ngayon. Maraming with Latin
Actually,
honors,
that's true.
compared to during our time. Kasi noon, I don't know, pareho pa rin ba ngayon na if you have a grade of 3 before the finals, eh, exempted ka na. During our time, target lang namin maka-tres.
Hmm.
Eh, sa sobrang pagod and parang nawala na yung ano ko, nawala na yung dream ko of course when we entered UP lahat naman tayo were like, somehow in the upper level of the class in high school. So, sanay tayong, hindi I mean pare-pareho naman tayo that, lahat tayo is our parents are expecting us that you would graduate with honors. Wala, pinabagsak ni UP sa'kin 'yan. Natanggal yung yabang na 'yan. Kasi and natuto sa sobrang pagod at that time parang, makasampa ka lang ng tres parang yung time namin nun parang masaya ka na. But if you will look at my IE subjects, wala akong dinrap dun.
Hmm.
Wala akong because I really enjoyed each
Hmm.
and every subject nung industrial engineering. Medyo nangamote ako dun sa mga ibang engineering subjects. Talagang pinaghirapan ng todo
Ayan,
'yan.
speaking about those Ma'am Maribel ano, so anong mga IE subjects yung pinaka nagustuhan niyo and maybe aling IE or non-IE subjects yung parang pinaka naging challenging for you?
Okay. Ang actually na-enjoy ko kasi yung first pa lang, eh, yung methods. doing time and motion studies in methods engineering. Yun yung first, 'di ba, IE. During our time, that was IE 32.
32, same,
32,
same.
oo. And then another na na-excite kami, ako, is the quality assurance, the quality
Quality control.
IE35, quality control, IE35.
I think now it's IE 135. Yeah, or
Okay,
yes.
that was IE35. And then moving on, okay din yung mga ORs kasi these are the math side. And maganda, tapos isabayan mo siya ng managerial accounting sa BA na required. That was Management 115 ba during our time. Yun, maganda kasi nakikita mo yung business side of it. And of course, the systems engineering. The last one, the 54 and the feasibility study.
Oo.
Oo. Parang lahat naman. Ano ba ang nahirapan ako? Medyo nahirapan ako doon sa stat. That was
Stat.
IE 22. Ano ba yun?
27?
22 during the
22.
time. Our
Oh.
time. Nin-enjoy ko yung linear programming pero yung stat medyo hindi masyado eh. Hirap. Saan ako nahirapan? ES.
ES, Engineering
ES,
Science.
oo.
Aling ES, ma'am? ES1?
Ano? ES1.
The drawing, engineering drawing.
Yeah, the drawing. The drawing part, the drawing, oo. Hindi ko siguro naunahan ako ng ano doon. Hindi, yun yung biruan namin that our prof will always say, "Stretch your imagination." Yung nag-aano ka na,
Yes, yes.
the dimension, madali pa nun yung front views, top view eh. Pero nung hindi ko yata nakuha yung concept. Nag-finals ako doon eh. So ibig sabihin nagdidelikado ako before the finals.
Actually, si ES1 talaga, no? Favorite yan ng ating mga students. Or hindi, actually, minsan, favorite or opposite of favorite. But you mentioned kanina, ma'am, yung mga project courses na parang, you said na parang you also enjoyed them kasi they were practice enough for the real world. So, can we
Yes.
know some of those projects that you did when you were in college?
Okay. Methods engineering, we study the production of Johnny's Bake Shop. I don't know kung
Oh.
alam niyo pa yung Johnny's Bake Shop.
Yes,
At
yes.
that time, the competitor was Goldilocks and Johnny's. Pero nauna si Johnny's. And the funny thing about it is that the production of Johnny's, the peak of production of Johnny's Bake Shop happens in the early morning, madaling araw. 3 or 4.
Mas magde-deliver sa mga bakery.
No, yung baking part.
Yung
Yung
baking part.
production
Yes,
part
yes.
mismo. So, nung unang punta namin doon, wala kaming inabot, naglilinis na sila ng mesa. So, syempre kasi punta kami doon, 8 o'clock na. Hindi, 9 o'clock na. Only to find out na yung production, pala nila, is early morning, 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. And then
So
we
you
were
went
like,
there, ma'am, ng tamang oras
ganun
to...
kaming, madaling araw kami pumupunta doon. By 6 o'clock, done na, everything. Tapos na yung production nila. So like yun, sinusundan namin and inaral namin yung from the inputs, from the mixing hanggang packing and even yung warehousing ng supplies nila, that's logistics. Pinuntahan din namin and nakakatuwa kasi wala kaming pang-measure at the time. Kasi mini-measure namin yung steps from the warehouse, yung mga ingredients. Kasi it's on a different, on a different building. Tanong mo sa akin kung paano namin.
Paano niya ma-measure?
Okay, wala kaming, sabi namin, paano natin ma-measure? Wala tayong meter na ganyang kahaba. We use the thread. The thread, the sinulid. So one of us is on the other side. Yun.
And then
Tapos
measure
saka
niyo yung
namin
thread.
measure yung thread.
That's a creative way on how to solve problems. So
And yun. So that's it. For the quality assurance or quality control, we did the quality control. We did a study dun sa quality control ng BF Goodrich, the tire company. Actually, challenge
yes.
yun nun. Hindi kami papasukin kasi pinayagan kami to do the study. Yun pa yung problema dati eh. You have to have connections para makapasok ka sa mga companies na pag-aaralan nyo. Although, you will be surprised, some of our classmates or some of our batchmates, nakakabuo sila ng study na hindi alam ng company na inaaral nila.
How did that happen?
Oh, nandun sila. Like for example, one of the groups study the operation of Shakey's in Katipunan. Nakaupo lang sila doon. Hindi
From
alam nung
outside.
ano, hindi alam
Oh.
nung hindi alam ng Shakey's na ini-study na sila. Kasi so yung BF Goodrich, dun kami, but nung first few days namin, yung pala yung pinaka-confidential area in the
Especially
manufacturing.
quality.
Kasi quality yun, 'no? So sabi nila every time na may mag-i-interview kami or mag-a-ask kami ano, how do you do yung sampling size niyo and ano yung standards and all, laging ang sagot sa'yo is, "That's confidential." Sabi namin, "Paano din matatapos yung paper natin?" And, through charm
Kasama yan, kasama
kino
yan.
kasama yan. So, sabi ng mga groupmates namin na boys, "Okay girls, take it away." So, the following day, naka-air ba 'to? Medyo ano 'to, medyo censored
Sige lang
yata
ma'am,
'to.
sige lang.
So, the following day, only the girls went to BF
Oh.
Goodrich, and we were not wearing pants. We were wearing skirts.
Naku naman medyo ano na yan,
Ano na yan.
medyo sensitive na itong
And we were able to get inside the quality control room.
Ayan
Nagulat yung prof namin, it is like was it a multinational company and all this? Alam nila mahigpit, but we were able to get all the data that we need. We were able to get their black book.
Pero I believe
Kumpleto.
meron namang NDA naman diyan ano, so
Nung araw wala kaming NDA. Wala kaming NDA, totoo, yeah. Wala kaming NDA. You need to talk to the owner of the company. Para bigyan ka ng even with Johnny's, we were not ang unang sabi sa'min ng manager was that we will do the interviews in the conference room. Tapos sabi namin, but we need to observe the production. Kasi may mga competitors, eh. Tapos plus may ano pa, yung hygiene, sanitation, and all. Pero gumamit din kami we had to like, get some connection dun sa may-ari mismo ng Johnny's so that we will be allowed to go inside the production area. Saya.
Yes.
Feasibility study, we did the feasibility study of the National Engineering Center.
Oh.
Yeah. Under ang advisor namin or ang ano namin diyan is the late Prof. Ranieses. So
Sir Nes.
we were lucky enough that siya yung nagsabing eto yung gawin niyo, the National Engineering Center. So that was our feasibility study.
Just to ask lang ano ma'am, kasi yung National Engineering Center is actually kapitbahay lang nitong bagong building ng bagong IE department. So, how did you do the feasibility ma'am? Para aling specific process ng NEC yung
Yung programs nila, yung programs nila, and then the processes. At that time kasi ano pa lang ise-set up pa lang siya, eh.
And then those are like for the trainings or for
For the
the trainings?
trainings, and then for the systems, yung MIS and systems engineering kasi namin ano yun, combined 54-55 during our time. We did the Palawan Integrated Area Development Project Office. It's a government office, it's a project management office. Ano yon? We were so proud of the output that the management of PIADPO at that time gave instruction that we be given the opportunity to see Palawan.
Oh.
It's parang as a ano, because they said, he was very thankful with our professor then. Again, the late Professor Ranieses. Ranieses baby ako, eh. So he said that they told him, I think the students deserve to see the Palawan, but the study was just here, so it was focused on project management. And they said that they got consultants prior to us, and parang hindi sila happy. Better ang output namin. Siguro magaling ang
Students.
advisor namin. So yun yung ano namin. For the queuing theory or the ano is IE 41 ba yan or
I think
42?
now it's IE 143.
We did the Cybels department store.
Oh,
Hindi nyo na
department
alam
store.
yun. Wala na yun. Nagsarado na yun. So we were like, yung traffic ng ng customers, ng shoppers. So yun yung inano namin. Saya yung saya yung
Ayun.
and
So
very perfectionist ang aming advisor. Hindi niya tatanggapin yung output mo if it's not within his
Hmm,
standards. Oo, to the
pero
point that we told him to bigyan mo na ng grade, kung bagsak, bagsak. Kasi pagod na kami, kasi sinusoli niya,
Yeah,
sinusoli
but
niya.
I think Mama Rebel I mean ang ganda ng mga stories na 'to, but I think it's also beyond the grades, parang doing these project courses. Parang ang dami mong matututunan even outside
Really.
the classroom setting. When you actually
Yes,
do these
yes.
things,
And
you become madiskarte, you become exposed to how
oo.
to deal with other people,
And you learn to talk to
you
people
learn
kasi
to
at the
talk to
end of the
people.
day yung communication, yung effectiveness ng work natin as an IE kasi tayo 'di ba ano tayo we look for things we look for I always remember that to look for there's always a better way of doing things, 'di ba yun yung work natin lagi So you have to coordinate, you have to communicate, you have to understand the people involved in any process or in any process that you are studying. So yun yung pinakamalaking more than the computations, more than the theories, but yung skill na yon of communicating, yun
Yes.
ang pinaka
Mm.
nahasa kami.
Yes, technical skills and communication skills. But how about yung ano naman, Mama Rebel? So may ACADS life and of course sa college life, meron din yung mga extracurricular. So
Mm.
did you have an IE org back then, and did you have any other orgs back then? And kamusta ma'am ang org life sa UP
Masaya.
Engineering?
I am a proud member of the SIAM,
SIEM.
the Circle of IE Majors. So yung tambayan namin nandun 'di ba? Sa
Dun pa rin ba
lobby,
ma'am sa
sa lobby kaya lang lumiit na Kasi may
ah,
katabi na ngayon na dalawa pang org
mm.
So dun yung tambayan namin dun, the other side is the IE. I remember one of our IE professors would like fetch us. "Halina kayo, klase na tayo," and then dadaan sa IE. So this start na kami. Yeah, I was with science since third year, pagpasok namin. During our year medyo madami-dami kaming nag-member ng IE kasi ng SIAM. Normally kasi mas madaming pumupunta sa IE club, So, madami-dami kami na nasa SIAM. And I was a regular participant in the awitan,
Oo, awitan.
oo,
Engineering week.
sa engineering week, oo. And then cheerer during the sports activities. Masaya,
Kamusta ang Engweek nun pala, ma'am? Kamusta ang Engweek? Kasi now
masaya.
parang now very rivaling yung I mean, now actually naging tame na pero parang when I was college parang very rivaling din yung mga orgs, Kamusta ba ang Engweek nun,
Oo,
ma'am? Even the smoker night, the
oo, the smokers night, oo. Gano'n din, kantyawan. Actually, yun nga, 'di ba yung kinakantyawan nila lagi tayo dun na 'pag natatalo na sila, sasabihin nila hindi engineer or
yeah.
and we will shout back, sige lang, but we will be your boss."
Ano pala masabi niyo dun ano, Ma'am Maribel? Like even your perspective now that you've navigated your career na yung IEs nga ay quote unquote "indie eng" daw or instant eng. Parang in a general perspective, what do you have to say about that now that you have parang worked as an IE all throughout your career din ano?
I think yung sinasabi nila actually during our time ang tawag nila Introduction to Engineering, Hindi nga hindi eng, but ano lang daw tayo, Introduction to Engineering. But you know this introductions, the ME, mechanical, electrical, ES, all of those, would you believe nagamit ko 'yan? Kasi I also had a stint with the Skyway.
Hmm.
I im ipagyayabang ko. I implemented the first computerized toll collection system in the country. And it is a combination. It was not just a system. It is a combination of different components. And I had to while I had engineers ko, sabi ko nga 'di ba,
Boss
magiging
ang
boss
mga
nila
IE.
tayo. So I had electrical engineers under me, I had electronics and communications engineer, and I had mechanical engineer because may mechanical parts din 'yon. Yung mga recall ko nung nagkakaproblema kami on the equipment and I was like, alam ko naalala ko yan sa EE, eh, yung mga interrupt na yan, eh. Hanapin kasi we were like, facing
Ah,
may nagfe-fail yung ano, nung initial implementation ng toll collection system. Yung mga sasakyan nababagsakan ng what's that? Yung boom.
yung
Yan
boom,
yung
yes, yes,
barrier,
yung
oo.
barrier.
So sabi ko, somehow we had to delay. We have to
Ah,
find where to put the delay para hindi diretso-diretso because nag-a-anticipate yung system na
ah,
tuloy-tuloy. But our expressway is not the same expressway in the other countries na lalawak.
ah,
Makipot, 'di ba? So nagpipila, nagugulo yung signals. So I told my engineers, ilatag mo sa'kin 'yan, saan yung mga signals, asan ang sending at ide-delay natin 'yan. I don't know how to execute it, but I know that we can. I mean, nag-work yung introduction natin sa
yes.
EE.
Mm.
And then, I remember yung mga gano'ng signals, 'di ba? Gano'n din yung maintenance ng generators and when they were like 'pag nag-a-approve ka kasi you need the generators for it to run, yung cooling, that's the thermodynamics ba 'yan o mechanical? So,
Yes.
things like that. Kasi kailangan mo yung i-maintain yung cooling dun sa ilalim. And for me to approve any procurement or any changes or kasi kailangan namin nung, baguhin yung original design, I needed to understand. Madali ko siyang maintindihan kasi I had introduction. I had an
Mm.
introduction of each and every component of
Yes,
that. So
I guess parang yun din yung advantage ng IE being versatile enough and flexible
yes,
enough kasi you get to
yes,
see, you get to be exposed to different industries, you get to practice maybe a little bit of everything ano. Pero when it comes to solving like real life systems naman, that's actually the role of IE, parang to connect
yes, oo, oo,
everyone,
oo,
everything
oo.
to into a holistic approach into solving that problem. I think actually parang ang fun nung the problem that you solved in the I
Mm,
mean it's a common practical problem, but I mean it can be solved in an engineering way and it can actually be solved practically, ano. So parang
mm,
you use all these engineering skills, these lessons that you learned in IE to solve real life
yeah.
problems. Ayun, can we go ma'am ano sa inyong naging career? Maybe siguro parang map out lang muna natin how your career went from after graduation until maybe to your present day career. So maybe Ma'am Maribel siguro parang short ano lang, brief story, brief narration on how you navigated your
Oh,
career.
you're asking me to relate to you 41 years of work.
Kahit ano lang, kahit mabilisan
But,
lang ma'am, kahit ano lang.
anyway, okay, I had the ano ba 'yan, na-experience ko to be discriminated. I have to emphasize this. I will always tell this to every time na they will ask me, how did you fare when you were asking for the work? Na-experience ko ang discrimination because I am a lady or I am a girl. Uh, I thought I would be working in a manufacturing firm. The first work that I applied with because I saw it's near our house. There's a factory near our house, which was like it's a big wanted industrial engineer. Oh, 'di ba? So sabi ko, I want to apply in that firm kasi ang lapit sa bahay. So walang problema. So, pagdating ko pa lang dun sa head office and they said na nung makita nila ako, they said na, "Ma'am, puro machines ang ide-deal, these are the." So sabi ko, "Anong machines po ba ang pinag-uusapan natin?" "Ma'am, lathe machine." "I know how to operate a lathe machine,"
Ah.
sabi ko. So, hindi "Ma'am, magrasa yung trabaho, ha." So sabi ko parang something like discouraging me from moving on to that job. The following day, days after, the signage was changed. Wanted male
Oh,
industrial engineer.
grabe.
Hindi pa uso nun yung gender equality. But to short. My first job is with the Commission on Audit. My
COA.
work is, yeah, COA. So what am I doing in COA? Audit yan eh. That's for CPAs. Our group is, I was able to join a group that is rendering consultancy services to government agencies. So we're helping them put up systems. pero manual procedures. So we were like doing manuals. So ganun din. You document, you try to streamline processes. That's exactly our work. So parang hindi bago kasi na-train na tayong mag-interview, na-train na tayong mag-document, na-train na tayong maghanap where we can like do streamlining without experiencing controls and all. So that was my work in the Commission on Audit, and I ended my career in COA as the head of the planning. So it's more strategic. I was like, I am able to appreciate the direction of the whole commission. They specifically chose me to head that because at that time the criteria was that the planning division should be headed by an industrial engineer. That was when COA was doing their redirection and resetting of their vision. So yun pa rin, planning. So yun with COA, and then I was asked to join the Skyway Corporation. That was the time that yun yung simula pa lang. Kaya with the Skyway Corporation, I was there from womb to tomb. I started the department, set up the number of people. The complement, meron din tayong org and development, di ba?
Yes.
So, nagamit ko yon. Sinet up ko yung organization. And then, I had to understand and learn the toll collection system which was put up by the Transcore USA. And then, maintenance, preventive maintenance, planning, capacity planning, lahat nagamit ko yan. After the but prior to that pala, kasi we started with manual procedures, and then towards the middle of my career in COA, wala nang nagpapagawa ng manual. Laging computerization na. Yun na yung papasok na yung mga computerization. So I had to retool myself. I enrolled in programming and systems analysis design course, and also I did my master's in computer science so that I would understand the IT side of the process. So designing system na. Nag-graduate ako doon as designing system, bumubuo ng system. But pinull out nila ako from the IT and put me into the planning division. That's why I was invited to join. Kasi IT na yung work when I transferred to the Skyway. It's to maintain the toll collection system. And after that, hanggang ma-privatize siya, I was there. So, binuksan ko at isinara ko yung department nung Skyway. And then I joined the other side because of my experience in the South, in the Skyway. Kinuha ko ng
Sa
North.
North naman.
So, yung third party, it's their computerized toll collection system. But this time, different ang, because I was like the parang operation, everything is under me. And may napasok na sales, packaging, doing the P&Ls. So yun yung meron din tayong accounting and basic
Yes.
accounting, di ba? But I had accountants in the team. So we were like looking for projects, business development. So that was my work there. And then after that, I did a few consultancies, all in IT na nalinya na ako sa IT since then. And then joined after my short stint in the North. I thought of going back to the government, giving back to the sa parang sabi ko, I want to serve the government na. But I want to serve a government agency that is like run like a corporation. I don't like the traditional government. So I joined the Philippine Deposit Insurance Corporation.
PDIC, yes.
Oo. So as head of the IT. So doon, another challenge na naman doon. And then finally, I am now with the Social Security System as head of IT.
Yes, pag-usapan natin ma'am more yan yung about your stint in the government. But like in your career, your first jobs and your later jobs sa Skyway and the toll collections, which among like the IE subjects or IE skills or the things that you learned in UPIE, yung parang pinaka nagamit dito sa mga work na ito?
I would say the first two. Kasi shifting career, I mean the mix na kasi yung sa Skyway. Yung sa first kasi IE work talaga yun
Yes.
process re-engineering. I mean that's really IE work. And even the core plan is an IE work. Yung sumunod kasi when I shifted na to the IT side, medyo hati na siya. But
Yes.
gamit na gamit ko ang pagiging IE ko sa IT. Kasi we have a mas broader yung
Yes.
perspective natin sa business.
Mm.
And I remember, ang maganda, we have that one subject, is it in systems engineering? I forgot.
Information systems?
Yung lahat ng aspect of the organization,
Or
HR, marketing,
systems design?
Yeah.
Oo.
Parang we were like parang every team, every group pinag-report nga kami on the different aspect, and what was assigned to my group was the personnel management and industrial relations. Kaya natataka sila when we were like designing the HR system, but parang kabisado ko daw yung HR, but kasi inaral namin yan yung yung personnel management and industrial relations. So, ang ganda na exposure. I don't know kung ganito din sa ibang school, but I must say, sobrang solid ng binigay ng UP sa'kin.
And then yung career niyo pala, Ma'am Maribel, so parang I mean, you're still IE pero naging align kayo sa IT,
Yes,
But
yes.
was this choice like deliberate, parang talagang gusto niyo to go to this field, or medyo parang naging demands din siya ng inyong work, ng inyong job, kaya kayo nag-aral pa more into CS and IT? So how did you kumbaga navigate din yung pag-develop ng sarili ninyong skills into further developing your career?
Yeah. Kasi yun nga, we nalinya kasi ako on system processes. And dumating sa point that the processes are no longer manual. So I had to like retool myself. Wala nang gumagawa nun. Kaya parang on the side na, you do in PDIC kasi before we do computerization, we do business process re-engineering muna We call it the BPR. So kahit hindi under sa akin yung BPR, it's with the policy and systems department. I am part of the review committee. It's not because I am the head of the IT, but because I am an industrial engineer. So inilagay nila ako sa review committee on the business process. Pero siguro yun nga, demands of time, nag-iba na kasi. And hindi talaga ako nalinya sa production. So yung the production side, hindi masyadong, wala akong experience on the production
Yes, but that's
side.
very much true kasi I mean, we also have to kailangan natin sabayan yung development ng technology. So,
Yes.
we also have to retool ourselves
Oo.
para talagang makasabay tayo sa kung ano ba yung nangyayari sa industry. We also develop our own skills para din maging match yung ma-offer natin dun sa demands.
Hindi po pwedeng yung baon mo lang is your BS Industrial Engineering. You have to continuously retool yourself.
And yung IA din naman ay may information system. So parang application din siya ng systems thinking, systems design. Para din siyang production systems, but dealing with information, with computerized systems,
Yung
digital
transformation.
systems.
Yes. Oo.
Ayun. And now talaga, I mean, sa mundo ngayon, we're in the digital space. Actually, now in the internet space, in the World Wide Web. So, kailangan talaga nating pagpatuloy na i-evolve ang ating mga sarili also as IEs. Kamusta naman ang work-life, Ma'am Maribel? Like, how is a day in the life of Ma'am Maribel?
My day? Parang, kasi workaholic ako it's kasi right now, I'm handling 13 there are 3 divisions with 13 departments. So the whole gamut of IT, and with SSS, it's we are managing 40 million members. So ang laki ng data na hinahawakan namin. And we have almost 173 branches nationwide, plus the foreign branches. I think we have like almost 20 foreign branches, and we have to make sure that they are all connected, because all services we're moving towards converting all services of the system into online services. So you have to do strategic, but you have to also be on guard on the day-to-day. Kasi every interruption in the service would mean like, delaying the benefits of our members. So yun yung araw ko, studying, monitoring your targets, studying new technology, studying, why are we studying new technology? Because we are looking for ways to further improve our service. So, lahat tuloy-tuloy yung aral mo if there are new technologies, if we have issues on this side. Pero ito, may mga katulong naman ako because I have my division chiefs. So, maraming katulong naman. But the demands is just so big. I mean, the scope is just really so big na yun, punong-puno. Ano lang ang
Workaholic
pahinga,
pala si Mama
punong-puno.
Rebel ano.
Sabi nga nila, akala namin mag-slow down ka na paglipat diyan, parang hindi pa rin.
Pero ma'am, I mean just on a personal level din ano, yung pagiging workaholic. I mean, how is it? I mean, is it a choice or is it really inborn in you na you
Siguro
really want to do as much work as possible?
oo. At saka I want things finished kasi. Ayoko
Oh.
yung may maiiwan ako. So,
Hmm.
para tomorrow is another day. Ayoko na nagpapatulog. So, things that I can finish for the day, I will finish it for the day. So, natututo ka mag-prioritize, alin yung dapat, alin yung kailangan ng more time, alin yung dapat aksiyunan mo na kaagad. So, hangga't hindi ubos yung laman ng mesa ko.
Oh, but that can also be ano no, I mean, that can also be a very helpful attitude especially in work kasi if you finish as much things as possible, you can contribute more and people will
Yeah.
like you more
Oh,
kasi you get your job done.
yeah. Oo, oo.
How about the soft skills, Mama Rebel, that you learned in IE? Kasi in UP IE, parang we also, I mean, of course, merong mga IE courses, pero we also make sure that our students learn proper communication,
Mm,
leadership, teamwork.
mm,
So,
mm.
how do you think did these things in your IE training help you in your career, in your early jobs, and
Mm,
now in
oo.
SSS?
Sabi ko nga because of the project-based,
Yes.
approach, yun yung parang na-train tayo to talk to people, to know, to identify kung sino ang key person na dapat mong makausap for you to get what you want to do. And yung coordination, yung leadership, though hindi naman talaga kami nag-a-appoint ng leader, but somehow one would come out as the one who is like, anong tawag mo dun? Making
Pinaka-bibo.
compass, oo, making compass.
Ah,
And then we were also trained to present.
mm,
I before presentation is to package
yeah, yes.
our
Of course.
outputs. I mean, so yung gano'n din kasi sa real world, eh. If you are to introduce a change or to introduce new innovation, you have to build your case, back it up with statistics, back it up with data, and be able to organize it in such a way that you would be able to convince your top management to adopt this new change. Eh, yun din yung training natin, eh,
Yes.
'di ba? So, sa totoo lang there was not much of an adjustment when I entered when I did yung professional career. Ang difference lang may time na. Kasi nung nung college days natin wala tayong time, eh. Eh, sa office may 8 to 5. Parang you have to clock in at, siyempre 'pag rank and file ka pa lang, clock in ka at 8 and you have to like 5. So, yun na yung difference.
Eto ma'am isang issue 'no, kasi ang IE nga ay as your parents have also said, walang board exam.
Yeah.
What do you think about this? Should this change or what's your opinions on this now that you've gotten like a better impression on what IE really is and on what IE really can contribute to the society. So, do you think should we have a board exam or should we maintain this? Kasi parang it also helps na our IEs can be more adaptable para mas madaling mapunta sa iba't ibang companies, sa iba't ibang industry. So, what's your opinion on this?
Ako kasi yung license na yan parang bragging rights na lang yan sa akin, eh. But yeah, professional din
Prof
naman tayo. 'Di ba we have the certification for
yes, now we
professional
have the
engineer,
CIE, yes.
oo, the certification for professional industrial engineer. Hmm, I'm not so sure kasi kung pare-pareho tayo ng program ng different schools. I think that should be the first move first to
Hmm.
to harmonize and to
Hmm.
parang kasi yung ibang engineering parang pretty standard yung ano nila. Like for example nga, yung sa neighbor natin, I think the management engineering is just a 4-year course. Ours is 5 years. And then, I don't know with the other schools, kung pareho. And then first is to standardize. And then maybe yes, because that's something that we can say that we are licensed also. Para naman, kaya sabi ko, bragging rights na lang. Para din may engineer na rin ka sa pangalan mo.
Hmm.
Pero,
Although
I
now
don't
pala
know, not
yung
so much.
UPIE natin ay 4 years na lang din. I think
4 years
kasi
na
we have to
din.
synchronize that with the K-12. So, yung mga 5 years
Okay.
ay naging 4 years na rin. Parang yung ibang first year courses kasi nag-overlap na rin sa K-12 sa senior high school.
Okay.
So,
But it's because of the senior,
yes, I
not
guess, I
because
guess. Pero I
oo.
mean, we keep on changing naman how
Yeah.
we offer our IE curriculum at ayun. Ayun, moving naman Mama Rebel sa inyong career nga now in SSS. So, kamusta ma'am ang pag-transition from your previous works to now you're working and you're leading a government agency, ano, I mean, a government office. So, was it different, ma'am? I mean, was it a different lifestyle, career, work style?
Actually kasi pareho namang government yung
Yes,
PDIC
yes, yes.
and SSS. So, in terms of the government processes or government policies, hindi ako naninibago. But this time, bigger lang yung scope. Kasi, iba yung mandate kasi ni PDIC, it's more of deposit insurance. And it's not as big really as the reach of the Social Security system. But, I must say that, kasi at my age I should have retired eh. Pero it was like a good decision for me, hindi ko pinagsisihan yung decision ko to still move and work. Kasi ang daming reach, ang dami mong I mean, any changes or any improvements that you will do to the system, alam mo na maraming makikinabang. I mean, the entire Filipino people, the entire labor force. Kayo kahit hindi kayo, ah kasi GSIS yata kayo. GSIS tayo
Yes,
as
yes,
government, 'di
yes,
ba?
yes.
But you can also be an SSS member. Sayang,
Hmm.
ituloy niyo para you can
Oh.
have also dalawang pension. Yes,
Oh,
puwede
good
'yun.
advice.
Yes, puwede 'yun. And the dream nga of our current, president is that every Filipino will have the Social
Hmm.
Security or will have so that they will have pension when they get old. Ang sarap ng pakiramdam kasi ang dami mong, mare-reach out, ang dami mong hindi naman directly natutulungan kasi hindi naman nanggagaling sa bulsa mo, but you
Hmm.
know that your contribution
Mhm. Hmm.
will ease
Hmm.
yung ano nung mga members.
Yes. If you improve the system
Yeah.
actually, if you improve the system na maraming Pilipino makikinabang, you're actually helping the Filipino
Yeah,
people
oo,
in
'di
that
ba
sense.
nakikita mo na, oops, mabilis na. Unlike
Ah.
nung araw for you to nung wala pa yung mga systems, buwan ang inaabot bago makuha
Hmm.
yung benefits.
Hmm.
Ngayon mabilis na lang,
Hmm.
you file a loan, online ma-approve ang loan mo.
Ah.
So, I mean those changes, mga in need yung mga members, so kaagad makukuha nila
Oh.
yung
Yeah, so
benefits.
speaking about, that Mama Rebel ano, so parang what are your main objectives talaga in SSS? I mean, as an IE din ano, parang usually in IE, you have an objective and you measure it. Parang you make sure that you improve the system because you have certain KPIs or parang objectives that you measure na, "Oh, we improved from here to here." So,
Mm.
like in SSS, ma'am ano, so parang what are these and how do you ensure na na-improve talaga yung buong system?
Ang dream namin is that all services of SSS will be, made available online.
Online,
So that,
oh.
our especially the pensioners, our lolos and lolas will not go to the branches anymore to line
Ah.
up, to show up,
Hmm.
para lang masabi nila. Kasi if you're a pensioner, at some point you will have to parang laging you have to appear or you have to tell the system na, "Buhay pa ako, so tuloy niyo yung pension ko." Kasi once you die kasi 'di ba matitigil or mapapasa sa spouse
True.
mo, if the spouse mo so those are the ano na kasi ano, since this is a pension fund, papunta siya sa papunta siya sa pagtanda ng mga members. And pagtanda nila mas nandun mas mafi-feel nila yung presence nila. So if we can improve the system and make it available na right doon sa mga bahay nila, hindi mo na sila palalabasin ng bahay,
Yes.
malaking tulong.
Oh.
So yun yung masarap na pakiramdam. And our dream is that really all our services will be made available online.
Oh.
And papunta naman kami doon, slow
Yes,
konti na
naga-match
lang.
naga-match nga siya dun sa kanina natin napag-usapan na dapat tayong makisabay as the workforce sa pag-develop ng technology. Pero also, we also make sure that that technology, parang now nga yung digitalization ng government services, ay accessible sa lahat ng tao, sa lahat
Yes.
ng Pilipino. So, actually, ang laking ginhawa if online na, like, makikita ko, if I have an SSS, makikita ko ano yung contributions ko,
Yes,
then I can
oo.
process nga my loans there, my retirement. So,
Ngayon, pino-promote ko si SSS, Ngayon kasi dati ang daming reklamo that the employers are not remitting, dinideductan sila ta's hindi yung
that's
so we have a
bad.
program for that at hinahabol namin. But ngayon, with the system, ikaw na member puwede mo ma-check.
Diretso ko na
Nakikita
check.
mo ngayon yung mo.
Mababantayan ko.
Mababantayan mo na
Oh.
nire-remit.
Hmm.
Mababantayan mo kung nakakailang contributions ka na,
Oh.
kung magko-qualify ka na ba sa pension. Oo.
As
So
an IE, ma'am, so you're now nga the Chief Information Officer and VP of IT Management. So, like, as an IE, as an industrial engineer, and going back dun sa mga IE subjects, which now in SSS yung parang pinaka naging useful, pinaka naging valuable, maybe even the technical skills, the soft skills, overall, and even the culture in UPIE. So, parang
oo.
alin, ma'am, yung parang pinaka naging important that helped you build your career up to now?
Babalik ako dun sa dalawang major, yung methods engineering, yung systems engineering. Kasi nga naano ako nalinya ako on process improvements. Kasi even if I'm in IT, still process improvements pa rin ang objective. You introduce technology because you want to improve the process. And hindi naman yan for you to have a more efficient system, dapat yung process mo muna, inaral mo muna yung proseso, 'di ba? Sini-streamline mo na. It's not a direct conversion of kung dati step 1 to 10 sa manual, when you computerize step 1 to 10 pa
Yes,
rin.
yes.
So, ano na siya, 'di ba? Mas nai-streamline mo na. And then pupunta ka dun sa makakatulong ba ito sa kliyente mo, sa client mo. And in terms of culture and in terms of yung soft skills, I think yung communication, dealing with people, both your clients and yung mga suppliers mo ng information, and the analytical skills that have been developed in us.
How about yung motto, ma'am, ng UP, meron tayong honor and excellence, and now may
Ah,
service. So, how did this shape your mindset, or how did this shape your career also now? Your choices also in building your career?
actually, I could have joined the private sector. Magagalit yung mga nothing against those who
Of
are
course, of
serving
course.
in the private sector. In my early career, my my sister was working in a multinational. Ate Belle, you're sayang there in the government. You could have gotten parang, higher position and all. But it's not all about the compensation. Sa'kin, simple lang, sapat lang kung basta it's something na hindi naman mahihirapan yung pamilya mo. And ang masarap kasi with the government, and I salute you guys who are here staying on with the university. Huwag kayo aalis dito and oo. Like, wag mo akong ngitian ng ganyan. But at some point, give time. Kasi masarap yun yung natin, 'di ba? Kung hindi ako, sino? 'Di ba? If
Hmm.
all of us will like, look for the better, I could have stayed in another country or we could have stayed. But I have everybody has their reason for doing so. Ako, happy ako, hindi naman masyadong naghirap dahil kasi the government also pays well naman na eh. So,
Yes.
maybe not as high as the private sector, pero ang pinakamasarap na feeling doon, yung ginagawa mo is makakatulong ka sa mga kapwa service.
Service. Good words for our
Yeah.
listeners.
Oo.
I have here, Mama Rebel, yung 6 pillars ng IE. I'm not sure kung
Yeah.
pero now kasi parang medyo popular ito eh.
Yeah,
So,
yeah,
meron
yeah.
tayo dito. Papapiliin kita, Mama Rebel, dito ng maybe top 3 na parang pinaka naging helpful sa iyong career. So, we have here first, systems thinking. Second, process thinking. Third, continuous improvement. Fourth, customer centricity. Fifth, quality orientation. And sixth, metrics based. So, mapili ka maybe top 3 or top 2. Maybe
Okay.
top 2
Parang
para
lahat
maano natin.
parang lahat
Pero in
important naman. Yeah,
your
yeah, yeah.
parang
I
most.
think at the end of the day, it's customer centricity.
Oh.
That is what should be on top. And I always tell this to even in the organization, we are improving, we are putting in technology not because we want to make our lives easier. We are putting in, kasi nasa technology na ako, di ba? We're putting in technology because we want to make the lives of our customer more delightful. I mean easier. So hindi na gone are the days that we are doing this process para madalian tayo. Hindi na dapat 'yon. Sometimes you will sacrifice may isa-sacrifice ka dahil 'yun yung mas makakabuti dun sa mga clients mo. So I think topmost would be customer centricity. Then I would go for the systems thinking.
Oh.
There has to be a holistic view of any work that you do. And process kasi is so dudugtong lang yan sa ano. And for you and continuous improvement. Yes. That's the top 3. Continuous improvement. Walang static na ano. Hindi ka makokontento. There will always be better ways of doing things. So hindi mawawalan ng trabaho. Hindi ka na mawawalan ng gagawin kasi you continue to improve.
Interesting. Actually, so far medyo magkakaiba yung answers ng ating mga guests dito sa IE podcast.
Okay.
In one word, Mama Rebel, what is IE? In one word.
IE.
What's the best word to encapsulate what an industrial engineer really is?
Sa akin, improvement.
Improvement.
Yeah.
Okay. Ayun, so speaking about the future of IE, yan, let's continuously improve as well, ano, ang IE and how we train our IEs and how IEs should be seen nga. Kasi minsan parang may time din na hindi naman alam ng mga tao kung ano talaga ang IE. Even in the private sector, some people don't really know ano ba yung kayang gawin ng mga IE. So, how do you think, Mama Rebel, should IEs be known? And how do you think should our IEs, our industrial engineers really be? Like, even in the future, ano ba ang roles ng IEs sa mundo, sa Pilipinas, sa bayan?
Okay.
Medyo malaking question
Malawak
ito.
yun Okay. Sa'kin, IE, as I've said, IE is improvement. IE is introducing change, introducing new ways of doing things, or introducing letting people finding ways to better whatever you have right now. So it's yung continual improvement. Parang ano yan eh, 'di ba? That's a buzzword right now. Continual improvement. That's IE. I think I could encapsulate IE on that.
Yes. So IE is maybe hindi lang industrial engineer but also improvement engineer.
Yeah, improvement engineer na tayo. O nga no, maganda yun Or innovation.
Ayun ma'am, so maybe our last 2 questions, maybe second to the last question. What keeps you driven in your career? I mean, on a personal level, on a professional level, what keeps you doing all of these things, doing all of these projects, building your career? So what keeps you motivated?
What keeps me motivated? You know that there will be people who would benefit from what you're doing. And that gives me
Yes.
pag hindi na nila pag wala nang makikinabang sa ginagawa mo, then parang hindi na it's not worth doing na.
And finally, what advice can you say to our IE students now? Actually, hindi lang ang podcast na to ay hindi lang for UPIE, but we're also parang broadening ano nga ba ang IE para mas maraming tao ang makaalam kung ano nga ba ang IE, and also for maybe high school students na namimili ng kanilang mga career paths na kukuhanin or ng kanilang mga courses na kukuhanin sa college. So, like for the general audience, Ma'am Maribel, what advice can you give for them as an IE, and what advice can you give for them like on navigating and on building their careers?
Okay. First is if you want, kasi IE kasi is very ang daming fields, 'di ba?
Yes.
Very versatile. So i-assess niyo yung sarili niyo where you find purpose dun sa particular field. And then if you want nag-e-enjoy ka kasi maa-assess mo yan during college days eh. This is for those who are already in the program. Kung saan ka nag-e-enjoy, kasi kailangan ini-enjoy mo yung trabaho mo eh. Kung saan ka nag-e-enjoy na field, then it must be the field for you. Kung saan yung masaya ka do sa field na yon. Yung kung saan ka nakakakita ng I mean, it's not just because you want to satisfy yung requirements of the subject, pero yung talagang ini-enjoy mo siya, then I think that's the field for you. But you should not stop from that. You have to like continuously see on you have to continuously to retool yourself. Hindi pwedeng bit-bit mo lang yung initial na nakuha mo dun during your college days. Try to see, yun nga, lagi naman ganun eh, see yourself where you wanna be and then build your career towards that ano. I am lucky enough, maybe I'm lucky because the fields that were yung naging ano ko, naging professional life ko, parang one building up with another. Parang ito yung true to form that they're saying that your past and present is a preparation to your future. Kasi parang I must say walang nasayang dun sa mga ginawa ko eh. Kasi lahat nung ano yan, ginagawa namin yan dati. So it's building up. Now for those looking for a parang still deciding on a career. If you enjoy challenges, if you enjoy introducing changes, if you enjoy yung anong tawag mo dun? Hindi ka limited on particular task or activities. There is that yung ingenuity more innovation will come into play. Then IE is the best course for you. Actually, some of my friends would ask me, "Uy, yung anak ko gusto mag-IT." Gano'n sila eh. Kasi they see me like as an IT person. Sabi ko, alam mo, if I will give advice to your son or your daughter, better to take up IE first and then move on to IT.
Like your career.
Kasi sabi ko, maganda kasi yung perspective that you have yung perspective ng IE and then you move into IT. Perfect combination.
So okay din pala ang IE kasi it's versatile enough na para you can see also what other industries, domains have to offer, and then pag talagang nalaman mo na kung ano yung na-enjoy mo, you choose your specific niche.
Yes.
So those are good advice, Ma'am Maribel. Salamat sa advice na yun. So know yourself, know your vision, connect the dots, and build your career toward that future that you want. And maybe take up the time to explore, take up the time to try out different things, and then once you find out what you truly enjoy, you can now go deeper into that
You
path.
have to love what you're doing.
Love what you're doing. So ayun, we can end our episode with that. Maraming salamat, Ma'am Maribel. This has been a very enjoyable and very insightful actually na conversation, knowing more about your career as an IE. So thank you very much, Ma'am Maribel.
Thank you. And thank you to the UP Department of Industrial Engineering Operations Research. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.